Check your center in the left mirror and signal down. You panicking? Okay, relax. So roundabout is so easy. You like to do this completely by yourself this time.
Commentate again.
So me?
Yeah.
You want me to commentate?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will commentate for you. I can see so this is me commentating on your behalf though, yeah? I can see there's a warning roundabout sign coming and a mini roundabout sign coming with 3 circles. I'm going to check my mirrors. I'm going to start slowing down to drop my speed to 25 miles or less. Now it is a closed view junction, but I can see there's 2 blockers are coming, but I'm not going to risk it until I'm 100% sure. So anyone coming? No. I will check my mirrors and then I will move on. So this is me commentating on your behalf. That's what you should be doing though, yeah? And that's it. Now I can see a warning sign, which means again there's a roundabout coming. Now I can see the 2 mini roundabout sign. I'm going to check my mirrors and start slowing down 25 miles or less. The first roundabout is an open view. There's no right road. My speed should be 15 miles or less. I'm going to glance my left before I cross. Quick glance. I'm going to keep using my brake and I'm going to keep going slowly. Glance my right and ahead. Open view. Anyone coming? No. I will do my mirrors again and I will gradually build up my speed to 28 or 29. Then this is what you would be doing. I'm doing this on your behalf. So I'm going down the hill, making sure that my speed is remain under control. But because I'm going up on the hill in a minute, again I need to give it more gas. So but before I give more gas, I would do my safety check again. That's it. So positioning, we're going to be turning left at the next roundabout. This is what the instructor has been giving to you. And okay, so I can see there's a traffic light. No, don't do this. So when about 3 to 4 cars length away from the junction, I'll flip over where the first arrow is. I will check my center in the left mirror and signal. Start slowing down. I can see keep clear box. I need to stop at the first white line here. Keep this area clear. Yeah. So when the light goes amber, I would planning to check my mirrors and turn. That's what you should be thinking about. Check my mirrors and I'm going to start moving. And I'm going to keep my car positioned close to the curb. I'm going to use my brakes. It's an automatic car and I'm going to follow the left curb. So I'm just joining a new road. I'm going to check my mirrors again and build up your speed. Excellent work. You did it before even I said it. So I can see it says red route clear way, no stopping at any time. I can see the major roundabout is coming up. I can see the blue sign with 1 arrow in there. It is an open view roundabout, so I'm going straight ahead. Second exit. I'm going to check my mirrors. I'm going to start slow down. I don't need to stop if nobody is coming into my side. So nobody's coming. I'm going to go near to the island first. That's the first exit. Check your center in the left mirror, signal down. Check your mirrors and build up a speed. Don't worry about cancelling your signal right now. Making progress is a key for you. So keep checking, keep going, and now cancel your signal and then build up a speed to 20 to 29. So I can see the traffic light is red. I can see the red light police cars there. So I need to approach slowly, cautiously. I may need to go around it, center mirror and the right mirror. I'm going to go very slowly, go slowly, stop the car about here, the stopping line. That's it. So let's remain focused. So when the light goes amber, check your mirrors and go. But go with cautiously. Now when we're going back to our direction, we're going to check our center mirror and the left mirror and then go back again over there and then check your mirrors again and build up a speed. So the instruction have been given to follow the sign black burn, positioning in the middle. So we know the black burn is going left. So roughly about here, check my center mirror, the left mirror, signal to the left. Because I'm crossing over the cycle lane, I'm going to check my left mirror again. I can see the give way sign and the traffic light is red. So as I'm approaching, I'm going to glance my right, but keep going all the way to give way. If nobody's moving, then I would just carry on. They're not coming. As we're turning slowly, the sign telling me we're going ahead, second exit. Check all the mirrors and build up a speed. So we need to slow down, check your mirrors, glance your right, but look ahead for positioning, what the curb dictating you. Anyone coming towards you? No? Okay. So first mirrors and signal left. Carry on going. Don't worry about signaling cancel.
Forget it.
And yeah, if you can cancel later on. If you do it quickly, you may lose the control, isn't it?
Yeah.
Carry on going. So we know the black button is ahead.
Yeah.
So if I'm driving, I would be saying, okay, I can see in my lane 2 arrows painted, left and ahead. I'm not going left, I'm going ahead, means the second exit. So slow down, check your mirrors, 15 miles or less, glance, but look ahead where the curb is. So you got a car coming from the right? Yes?
And then another car.
What about the blockers? Have you got any blockers?
You got a blocker?
Yes, so we could have gone, don't worry about the signal. Don't worry about the signal. Go near to the island, check your center and the left mirror and signal down, down. You panicking? Don't panic. Don't cancel.
Sorry.
Relax.
Forget it.
You can cancel after when your tire becomes straighter. There you go. Okay, relax. So roundabout is so easy. So same thing again. We can see. So check your mirrors to start slowing down. Look, he's just cut you in. Slow down even more. Glance your right. Look ahead for positioning. Push and pull technique. Push and pull more, bit more to the left. And anybody else coming?
Nobody else is coming.
Go near to the island first. Don't worry about the mirrors and signal. Just go to the island. Now check your mirrors, signal down. Don't worry about cancelling your signal. Just keep following the left curve. Push and pull technique. Don't worry about cancelling your signal. Relax. Now check your mirrors, build up a speed, and use your finger to cancel. Okay, so the next roundabout, I would like you to turn left. So that's the instruction I've been given. So you should be saying, okay, I'm going to check my mirrors. I'm going to start slow down. Check my center in the left mirror and signal to the left now. Because we're about 4 to 5 cars length away now, isn't it? Yeah. That's the tires and the tarmac. That's it. Now, as normal, you approach, glance, look ahead. And before you turn, look at your left mirror and follow the left curb. As you're joining a new road, any signs there for your help? What signs can you see?
20 signs.
20 signs. So now, what we're gonna do? Check our mirrors and build up a speed. Yeah, but we're turning left. So check center mirror, the left mirror, signal to the left. Start slowing down. It's a closed view junction. Positioning, and be prepared to stop because it's a closed view. Quick look, anyone coming? And that's why you get the benefit of stopping on a closed view. If you're not sure, creep your car forward. Nobody's coming. Look at the road you're turning into as well. But don't go too wide because we don't want to go into somebody else's road unnecessary. Check all the mirrors and build up a speed.